Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Today we're going to start our first episode called The Easy Start to the Day. This first sequence is a gentle set of stretches that you can do as soon as you get out of bed in the morning. It will set you up right for the rest of your day. Easy seated pose. We start in a comfortable cross-legged position, sitting on the floor or a yoga mat. Bring the awareness to your breath. With the centering breath, when you next inhale, stretch the arms out to the sides and up, connecting the palms overhead. When you exhale, bring the palms down together in front of the heart center. Repeat 2 more times. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up, connecting the palms overhead. And exhale, bring the palms down together in front of the heart. 1 more time. Follow the rhythm of your own breath. Arms up overhead. Exhale, palms together in front of the chest. When you have finished, please relax. Seated side stretch. Next, please stretch both arms overhead again, but this time interlace the fingers and turn the palms upward to face the ceiling. Lengthen the spine and stretch the whole body to the right side. Hold the pose here for a few seconds and breathe in and out freely while holding the pose. Slowly return to center. Now please lengthen the spine again and stretch the whole body to the left side, breathing nice and easy. Return to center, release the arms, and relax. Seated easy twist. Please place the left hand across to hold the right knee and bring the right hand behind you on the floor with the fingers pointing away. Lengthen the spine and twist to the right, looking behind you. Hold here for a few breaths. Gently come out of the pose and relax. Next, twist to the other side, starting with placing the right hand this time across to the left knee and the left hand behind you with fingers pointing away. Inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale and twist to the left, looking behind you. Hold for a few breaths. And return to center and relax. Cat and cow pose. Please come onto your hands and knees in 4-point position in any way that is comfortable. Bring the awareness to the spine. As you next inhale, lift the head and the buttocks up, squeezing the shoulder blades together. As you exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin to the chest and the tailbone down. Repeat. Inhale, lifting the head and buttocks. Exhale, rounding the spine, tucking the chin and the tailbone. Continue a few times at your own pace, inhaling and looking up, exhaling and looking down. Return the spine to the center and relax here. Downward facing dog. From the 4-point position, curl the toes under and press on the hands and feet so you can lift the knees off the floor and bring the hips high up into the air so the body is making an inverted V pose. Press the hands and feet into the ground, lifting the hips up high so you feel a stretch in the spine or the backs of the legs. Hold here for a few breaths. Child's pose. From downward dog, lower the knees to the floor and slowly sit back on the heels. Bring the head towards the floor and stretch the arms out in front of you. Enjoy this grounding pose. Slowly lift the head, coming up, and return to the easy seated pose with the legs crossed. Inhale, stretch the arms out up to the sides and up, connecting the palms overhead as we did in the beginning of class. Exhale and lower the palms down in front of your heart center. Stay here and take a moment of gratitude that you took the time to look after yourself today. This concludes episode 1, Om Shanti, which means may you have peace. Thank you.